Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maureen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to dye fabric. I was originally going to save this content for like the big vlog where I actually make the dress and whatnot, but a lot of you in the comments were saying that you would like for this video to be a standalone video on its own where you guys can reference it. I have taken note, I have noticed, and I'm not even going to hold you. Let's get to the video.
For obvious reasons, I decided to take this project outside, so we are currently on location in my carport, and I will be listing all the full steps and all of the supplies that you'll need for this project. But at the moment, I am working to pour 3 gallons of really hot water into this sterilite bin. Here's a quick overview of everything that you'll need. You'll need your color and your color stay dye fixation, and then rubber gloves. You're also going to need some Dawn dish soap, your stirrers, and your salt measuring cup, and of course some salt. And then you'll also need a paper towel to test the color before you put your fabric in there. And then of course you need your fabric, and this is a white denim twill. It's about 2.5 yards that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I am submerging this in the untreated boiled water at the moment, and this is per the instructions. And so they ask that you submerge this into the water and then wring it out. So let me give you a brief backstory as to why I'm doing this. So I have this burgundy faux leather fabric that I picked up from Hobby Lobby back in August, and I have since changed my plans for this fabric, and that required me to get more faux leather fabric. Well, the store is now completely sold out of this fabric, and I pretty much got the bright idea that I could dye some denim twill to match the faux leather. And I know it won't be 100% the same, but I figured this could be a really gorgeous contrasting dress. So I have 2.5 yards of this white denim twill, and I'm planning to dye it burgundy as well. So I set my fabric to the side. I've gone ahead and added in my Dawn dish soap, and now I am going to move on to the next steps. So now I'm going to apply my rubber gloves, and I am going to add in the 1 cup of salt needed for this project. Then I'm going to grab my Rit Dye, shake it really well, and pour in the Rit Dye. And per the instructions, the more that you pour in, the darker the color should be. This is the wine/burgundy color, by the way. Now go ahead and take your fabric and submerge it all the way into the Rit Dye mixture. I worked really hard to make sure that there was no stone unturned with this fabric. And then I started using my spoon to kind of get some of those bubbles out of the fabric. That way it would all stay submerged. So I finally decided to let it sit for about 30 minutes. So at this point, 30 minutes have gone by and it has gotten significantly darker outside. So that's my bad. But I am applying, if you see in the top left corner, I'm applying some Color Stay to another 3 gallons of water. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fabric that has already been in the dye, wring it out, and actually transfer it over to the Color Stay. And the Color Stay is exactly what it sounds like it does. It helps the color to stay. That way when you wash it, you won't have to have any sort of dye lot that, you know, would run or anything like that. So now we're in my laundry room and I am taking this fabric from the Color Stay solution and I'm actually going to put it in the washing machine where I'm going to rewash it. And I'll be very honest with you, when I took it out, I didn't have any sort of rings or any sort of dye run or anything like that in my washing machine or in my dryer. So this step is critical and it works, I promise you. And this is what it looks like beside the faux leather. How did I do? Let me know in the comments.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Now if you liked this video and if you felt like it was helpful to you, let me know. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and also be on the lookout for when I actually make this garment. I can't wait to show you guys. Alright, see you next time.